Step 1. The splicer. Insert the belt into the slotted end like this. Then tighten up the first hex bolt, making sure that the belt stays in the slot, and tighten up the second hex bolt firmly.
Trying to be open and keep my head up to words not spoken makes all the difference to me.
Step 2. Securing the other end of the belt. Slightly pull on the belt to remove any slack, while making sure that the belt stays in the slot. Then tighten up the third hex bolt firmly, and remember to slightly pull on the belt as you tighten up the third hex bolt. Tighten up the last hex bolt. Now grab the handle and place it in. See the 6 holes and the pin above it. This is your guide. Start with the one closest to you. Then grab the handle and begin to slowly move it over, making sure the pin goes in the first hole till you feel it cut through. And slide the bottom plate over so the pin lines up with the second hole, and repeat till you feel it cut through. Then proceed onto the third hole and repeat till you're done with all 6 holes. The next step is important. Make sure you have made all 6 cuts correctly before you go to step 3. Step 3. Removing the belt. Go ahead and loosen up all the hex bolts. Step 4. The finished splice. If done proper, your belt should look like this. Now this next step is important, but you don't have to be exact. Cut off the excess piece back to the string like this. Step 5. Cutting off the excess ends of your cut. Repeat this step with the other piece of belt. Step 7. The welder. Plug in the welder to your power source, and once you have done that, let it warm up to its setting, which should be around 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Place one end of the belt into the brace like this. Make sure to split the difference between the 2 belts so they are centered onto the brace. Loosen up the swivel arm at both ends, and once the belt is secured at each end, tighten up. This is what will hold the belt in place. Step 9. Securing the 2 belts together. Carefully slide the belts together as tight as you can without creating a buckle. Make sure that belt remains flat in the brace. And once you have set the belt, secure the swivel arm. Once the belt is just right, use the bar to flatten out belt, then place the silicone piece and face the rough side down and smooth side up. Almost done. Next, place the bar onto the brace like this. Step 10. Ready to weld. Hit the start button, place and try to center it as best as you can. And close the welder. Move the arm up into place and begin to tighten the latch. Don't worry, the latch has a clutch and will only let you tighten it up to a point. Step 11. Now we wait till it gets up to temp 185. Not quite there yet. Now we have to wait till it comes back down to 45 degrees. Step 12. The wait is over. You may now take the latch off. And remove the brace from the welder. Now remove the belt from the brace. Congrats, you have successfully welded your first belt.